स्टूडेंट्स आम आज भल्भा विषय डिस्कसन करवा। भल्भा भल्भा इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एक्सटर्नल जेनिटालिया। एटा कहती एक्सटर्नल जेनिटालिया। तार माने कौन? एक्सटर्नल जेनिटालिया होची ओपनिंग ऑफ द भाजिना। The place where vagina opens is called as vulva. It is the opening of vagina. ताले vulva रे कौन कौन अच्छी को कंपोनेंट रे vulva गड़ा? Vulva is consists of mons pubis or mons veneris. Mons veneris, mons pubis or mons veneris, labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, vestibule एटसेट्रा। आम डायग्राम देखा भल्भार डायग्राम देखा। This is the pad-like structure, cushion of fatty tissue. It is an elevated area which is called as mons veneris. This is mons veneris or mons pubis. Mons pubis is covered by pubic hair. These are the pubic hair. Pubic hair. This large fatty tissue that surrounds the internal part of the vulva is called as labia majora. This is labia majora. Labia majora means large lip. This is the meaning, large lip. Labia majora means large lip. There large fatty fold of tissue that surrounds labia minora. This is labia minora. Labia minora or small lip. This is the opening of a vagina. Opening of vagina. This is the urethral opening. Urethral opening through which urine is released out. And labia minora are small, delicate fold of skin that surrounds vestibule. This internal part of the vulva is called as vestibule. This finger-like projection small pea-sized structure, small pea-shaped structure called as clitoris. Clitoris. Clitoris is highly sensitive in nature. Clitoris is homologous to male penis. Clitoris is homologous to male penis. But unlike penis, clitoris is solid. Clitoris is solid. Clitoris is made up of a pair of cylindrical tissue called as corpora cavernosa. Like penis, clitoris is also an erectile organ. It is also an erectile organ like penis, because during sexual excitation the clitoris engorges with blood and erected and become reddish. It is highly sensitive. It is homologous to male penis. This part of the vulva at which two labia minora meets ventrally called as forceps. This is forceps. This is forceps, and this is the anus. The area between forceps and anus is called as perineum. This is perineum. The area between anus and forceps is called as perineum. Vaginal opening is partially covered by a thin fold of skin which is called as hymen. We have discussed in previous class about hymen that indicates virginity. This is the hymen. Vulva contain a pair of gland. This is the pair of gland. This gland is called as Bartholin gland. This is Bartholin gland. Bartholin glands are called as greater vestibular glands. Bartholin glands are also called as greater vestibular gland. Vestibular gland. What are the roles of vestibular glands? Greater vestibular glands role: when female gets sexually excited, they release a lubricating fluid. It releases a lubricating fluid. Lubricating fluid that facilitate easy sexual intercourse. Easy sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse that reduce the friction. Without the release of Bartholin gland secretion, without the release of Bartholin secretion, easy sexual intercourse must not be possible. Okay. Another glands, they are present inside the urethra, are lesser vestibular glands. Lesser vestibular glands, or also called as paraurethral glands or Skerni's glands. Their exact function is unknown, but it is believed to release some urine-like fluid. Labia majora are homologous to male scrotal sac. Male scrotal sac. Labia minora are homologous to penile urethra. Labia minora are homologous to penile urethra. Labia minora are homologous to penile urethra. Bartholin glands are homologous to male Cowper's gland. Clitoris homologous to male penis.